Defined benefits and safeguarded benefits. What you should be doing and what to avoid. Step 1. Seek a qualified and regulated advice firm. Why do we recommend you obtain your advisor first? Let's look at this in more detail. Step 1. A CETV guarantee lasts only 90 days, so we recommend you find an advisor before this. We have people come to us with 2 weeks to go who have taken advice from other firms selling high-charge insurance bonds. We cannot guarantee we can help with less than a month left. Ensure you deal directly with the UK advisor with pension transfer permissions who is signing off your pension advice. Be wary of non-UK firms acting as advisors and UK firms that offer a sign-off service. To put this into layman's terms, talk to the organ grinder and not the monkey. Ask about the experience and qualifications of the advisor. They really should be chartered or certified for this type of advice. Always ask for evidence. Ask for how long the firm has been running. If it's less than 3 years, then do more research. If it's less than 18 months, then seek a second opinion. From the outset, ensure that there is a fee to pay the advisor firm irrespective of any recommendation to transfer or not. In the next video, we'll take a look at further steps you can take to protect your money.